These are the Aerofold ramps from CareCo, carefully designed to take you that little bit further. A full 20% lighter than a regular ramp, but with a higher load capacity, our Aerofold ramps offer easy access for mobility scooters and wheelchairs in the face of high thresholds and obstacles. Aerofold ramps use an innovative flat-plate hole-punch surface for superior traction and grip even in slippery conditions. Aerofold ramps are constructed from lightweight, rust-proof aluminium, which makes them easier to lift yet stronger than other mobility ramps. These ramps can be carried as a single unit or separated into two sections. To separate the ramp when folded, pull up on the spring pin. Turn it 90 degrees to lock it into the open position. With the spring pin lifted, slide each ramp section into opposite directions. To put the ramp back together again, simply slide the sections back into place. This ramp is suitable for mobility scooters and wheelchairs with a weight-bearing capacity of 800 pounds, that's 360 kilos. The Aerofold Ramps, part of the wider range of ramps and scooter accessories from CareCo. For more details, look at careco.co.uk, visit one of our showrooms or give us a call. Thanks for watching, take care.